Hello my friends, welcome. Today I will show you how to make a key holder, millésime, meaning with a cork of a wine bottle. Don't hesitate to watch the video about how to open a wine bottle. By the way, we already talked about wine in my video about the central heating. So what is happening during the summertime in the radiator? So you see here, this wine bottle, Pommard 2011 Les Petites Noisons, is at a normal level, whereas this other bottle, this is a Chambertin Clos de Bèze from 72, the level is much lower. You see here this improvised workbench on which is placed the board for the saucepan holder. So we're starting by placing on the machine a very thin drill. And by the way, make sure that you're here on the non-hammer version. This is for the walls. Here I took rather small hooks. See here my different rings. You've already seen the box in return from the flea market too. First of all, you have to find a very nice bottle so that it's worth of making a key holder out of the cork. And you can see here this wonderful bottle. This is Grand Echezeaux 2008 from Dominique Laurent, offered by my friend Olivier. Marvelous. Then we're taking the clear part for the top. The red one is below. And then we put the ring.
Bon, eh bien, un verre, hein? Pas jamais pendant le service, mais un coup de blanc, c'est seulement une politesse. Vous, à force de picoler pour pas que je picole, vous allez être plus prof que moi, hein?
Votre foi de bonne composition, Brassac, il finira par se fâcher.
Sainte Cyrose, priez pour nous à l'heure de la mort parfumée des ivrognes. Calme l'un et l'autre. Veux-tu que je te dise, Maurice, Tolstoï c'est un connard. Ah oui? Résurrection. C'est du bidon.
If you're taking the cork of a white wine bottle, then of course you won't have the red stain. I need to talk about this bottle in particular. So this here is from the Appellation Burgundy Puligny-Montrachet, which is among the best white wines in the world. You will find it on the tables of the best restaurants all over the world. This bottle in particular comes from the domain Gacon-Moingeon. It's a small family exploitation. It's a very small one, so it's a very seldom bottle. Furthermore, this year is a 2004, so it's rather old for white wine. It's now 20 years. But this is because it's the birth year of my son Albert. So now it's really time to drink it. So Albert, come over so that we can share this precious bottle. A nice gift is that if you're finding a vineyard having the same name than friends of yours, to prepare a full set. The likelihood, by the way, is quite high, with 2.5 million vineyards in Europe. That's it, my friends. Now we have a very nice little cork key holder. This will remind you forever the good wine, but also the company in which you have shared it. Of course, always alcohol with moderation. And you see here in the back that the lawn has not been mown, and I can only invite you to join my video about how to cut such type of high grass. I hope to see you there on Happy Hour TV 1.